Ski via the breeze. Let it know, man. Let it know, man. This is the season. This is the season.
Xiva Fetu Kibamul Boy, aka Mshiga, and today I'm just gonna show you how to do the water, the underwater effect within the FL Studio DAW, right? Right, there are two ways to utilize this. This video fortunately is gonna be short the way I love him. Just showing how guys how to go about this. This is how the song sounds. Kibamul Boy, aka MC. Sorry about the noise. Right, so this the first step. So if I'm moving first, just double click on to open your amp, or this side of your door, and then without doing much, just go next to this icon. What's this? The tool icon, the spanner icon. And now you're gonna go to mode X. This knob, there's the knob you're gonna be utilizing. So now you're gonna turn this knob all the way to the left and take a listen to what it does. Nothing is being played back, right? And now let's take it up. Reset. You see on the right it does nothing. You have to go on the left. This is the first option. Let's see what mode X does. I bet you guys can hear what it does, but let's move it to the right. All the way to the left. Right, I guess you guys heard what it does. So mode Y works all the way to the right, mode X works all the way to the left, because it's the kind of effect you are looking for, right? But of course, this is the basic part of it. For if you want to go with the same effect but utilizing the standard, the industry way, you're gonna have to, of course, put effect inside the mixer channel, and of course we're gonna be looking for patcher. Let's look for patcher. Patcher, guys, I know it has hidden sounds / effects. We can do many things with patcher, guys. And then after opening patcher, of course, you're gonna have to right click on your presets, right click to preview what it has for you, right? And the filter we're gonna be utilizing for this specific underwater effect, it's called 1K filter. And after it opens, preview how the song sounds. It shows you it utilizes EQ to do its job, right? Nonetheless, you can close your EQ, don't touch it, and this is what you wanna touch, guys. On the right, it does what mode X does. Mode Y does, and on the left, it does what mode X does. Up there, amp. Let's go to the left. Already you can hear what it does, guys. Right, guys, so that's how you what, that's how you go about doing your underwater effect. With that being said, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video if it helped you guys. If you didn't know about water effect, I know it did help you, so please, let's not do each other like that, guys. Leave the notification bell after subscribing. Just turn it on so you get notified once I drop new videos, guys. Nonetheless, see you in the next one. Peace out. Kaya